to the category of solar solutions.
You heard that you made your customer, I mean, zero electricity, they are not paying any electricity, instead they are earning from the government. What did you do?
Yes, sir. It is one of the government program is there. The PM Surya Yojana is there. The on-grid and off-grid solar rooftops is there. In there, you can get the solar energy. Bestam approval also is there. The 25 certificate is there. If you are generation the data, you are not using the fully. That time it is export to Bestam. That time the month end they will calculate it. How much you have generated and how much you have utilized and how much you are export. Import and export. The minus it and calculate the month end of the month. That time what are the generation you are only utilized will only be paid. Otherwise you are exporting more. That time they will pay back. That is a directly come to your bank account. That is one of the best way of installing this solar rooftop. Recently we have installed here one of the Mr. Giri's house in Haradnagar. He has getting the bills around 3,000 to 3,500 every month. After installing this solar rooftop, he has getting only 500 every month. Sometime he has getting the from Bestam also. There is his passive income, like a passive income. It is a ROI is there, around 3 to 5 years, he will get it returned back. After 20 years, the free of cost they are utilizing the energy. This is the best way of utilizing the solar rooftop. All of us, we can go for the solar rooftop. Because of the, it is one of the good program from government. Thank you.
Thank you.